Oh.
I'm really sad to do this. Okay, it's fine. Like, yeah, it looks great, but do we want to switch it up?
How am I ever gonna choose between the two?
Autumnal. Love it.
So good, it's so cool. I didn't just spend hours last time painting this, it's fine.
Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls.
And it's that time of season or that time of year, whenever, how often we do these. We're switching up the background.
Oh my god, I love this time. It's like a little fresh start. I'm really sad to see the terrazzo go.
That's like my favorite one that we've ever done.
But also I feel like this is the longest one we've ever had.
Probably because it's my fave.
Oh, true.
I'm like, I don't want to say bye to it. But I'm okay with it because the last time that we did this, we asked you guys to submit any sort of drawings or inspo of ideas that you think would be cool on our background. And there was one that was like a strong runner. But I think we did the last one at like springtime.
Yeah, you guys did it while I was in Bali, so that's actually January, but I think our idea was like it's going into spring.
So the one that we wanted to do was very fall inspired, and it felt weird to do a fall theme in January.
Yeah.
So we've been holding on to this one. We could pop a picture up here. This one was sent in by Greg Daines, and it's so cool. It's literally our logo broken down into pieces and then painted to be like fall leaf colors.
Autumnal. Love it.
So good. It's so cool. I love it so much, especially because it is our logo.
Deconstructed.
It's so good.
The one thing I will say is that it does say Sorry Girls across it, and I think that this might not work for us because of our video framing. Like it's not always gonna have the whole thing. So maybe that's one thing that we can switch up.
And I do love that light up sign we made last time.
Yeah.
I just want to use it again because it looked really pretty in the background. So it'd be cool to do like, instead of this giant white rose, to use that as a white rose.
Yeah.
Perhaps.
Yeah.
But we'll see how that goes. So I think you have another video to finish up, but Claire and I are gonna start working on this.
Yeah, I'll see you in a bit.
See you. Okay, so for the background color though, I think it's just pink in this picture because that's like the blank template that we gave them to doodle on. Like, yeah, it looks great, but do we want to switch it up? So the leaves are gonna stay the same color, but let's say we switch like the hue up.
Ooh.
Like that's more beige.
Yeah.
That's more like fall, right?
I think it would make the leaves stand out more.
I think so too. Like we can go crazy and make it like green, but that's not good. I hate that.
Not that into the green.
No, I don't like the blue either. Okay, let's put it back to 0. Okay, so if we slide it just a little bit, like that.
I'm into that.
Yeah, you're right. It makes the oranges pop better.
And I think it just makes it more of a fall vibe.
I get it. Okay, let's get that color for the background. Sorted. Okay, so let's figure out what colors we actually need to purchase to do this. I know we have some colors that are actually a similar vibe, as you can tell in our past background, but I think this orange we loved so much that we're actually out of it, so we should get another one of that. And then I think we own a deep red already from a past DIY, but colors we don't have, this deep burgundy color that I'm seeing, an olive green like this, or a lighter green. Ooh, we do have this blue because you can see it there. Something else we don't have is like this very yellowy orange up here. Did I say 6 colors? I feel like close to 6 colors we need to get all in these tones. But the little samples are so inexpensive and we are gonna use them because I'm obsessed with all of these colors anyways.
You stealing.
I screenshotted the color in the center is the one we're looking for.
Good to know, because it's not like there's just multiple.
No,
Which
it's the one that's the most obvious is the one we're looking for. So let's start with this burgundy.
Ooh, good thing they have a couple of popular burgundies.
Okay, hold on. No, it's more of a purple red.
Because you want it to look nice with the really bright red that we already have. That's pretty.
Because there's this one. No, that's too purple. Or this one.
Is that the same?
It is. I was like,
How am I ever gonna choose between the two?
yeah, no, I like that. Let's just do it. Sorted. Nailed it. Oh yeah, it's already
Wow.
becoming a mood.
Wow, what season is it? Fall.
We might have to move away from popular colors for these ones.
Is that another orange?
It's like a yellow orange.
Japanese koi.
No.
This one's too orange.
Exotic blossom? Oh no, that's pretty bright though. I mean, it's not awful. Cheese puff, I kind of hate that. Okay, I'm back with a whole bunch of colors, and look how cute this little like flat boxes that it came in. Not sponsored by Bear, by the way, but this is just adorable. I love the little samples. Okay, so for the base color, we ended up getting this kind of yellowy beige. It's called Filtered Moon. I don't know what that means. So I think the first step is going to be take everything off the background, painters tape it, and then do the layer of the base color so we can do the design later. Looking great. Well, it's looking plain, but I think I want to sand this down because these are all individually painted, so they're raised a little bit. So I'm worried when we paint over it all, you'll still sort of see the shapes. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
What do you mean?
Okay, like especially here, you can see how like the line from the red underneath shows through the blue.
Yeah, we need a clean slate.
Yeah, it's not a crazy amount, but even a little bit will help. Okay, ran out of painter's tape halfway through, but that's not gonna stop us. I like this resourcefulness of tape here, Claire.
It's 2 shades of green too, I'm so sorry.
No, it's great.
We're dark meets light over here.
Okay, I think we're ready to apply the base color.
Let's get it.
Ooh.
Wow. Nice.
It's like a nice yellowy cream. Very fall.
Love it.
Love it. Can you get me?
Got it. Depth perception, here we go.
It's like butter.
It's really nice.
Okay, this is looking great. So the next step is moving on to the leaves, but I don't want to freehand them. So I think we need a projector.
You mean this projector?
You got the projector, I got the colors.
Teamwork makes the dream work, baby.
We use the projector to do a similar thing on our giant, what would you even call this? Graphic wall art thing, flowery, pretty thing when we made over our office, and you can check out that video. That was so fun. What a good little hack.
Now that we're done tracing out all of our pencils, I think it's time to play a little game of paint by numbers. So we can fill in what colors we want painted what. We have all of our colors here, and you guys really got all of the colors.
And we labeled them all. This is truly paint by numbers. We numbered all of the paint.
So yellow is
6.
so 6. We can also change these if we want.
Yeah, because we have a more orangey yellow too.
Once we actually get started too, we might find that like a certain area wants certain
More
colors.
color. Like this red is literally only used once, and so is this fallen leaves one, which is like my favorite color, so we should put this back in. So I've got number 6 here, and I've got my paint color number 6, so that's where we're gonna start. Wow, she yellow.
That's so pretty.
Look at it, Becky. I love that color.
I want it as my nail
It's
color.
your toes, isn't it?
Wait for it, guys.
People of YouTube, get excited.
Hold on.
You must show.
Oh my god, it is! It is!
Wow. Feed people of YouTube.
YouTube.
I feel like Ashley always does that. She's like, get ready, feet people of YouTube. Oh my gosh, these
I remember
three
that. Do
together.
you remember that? We were doing a live stream, and this one guy was just like, feet. Show feet. More feet.
All right, buddy, calm down.
And it's back when we didn't get a lot of viewers, so we're like, haha, any other questions from anyone else?
He's just blowing up chat. More feet.
More feet, more feet.
Please stop.
That's funny.
Oh, it's so pretty. Makes me want to drink some wine.
Oh.
Something like that.
Is it chilled? Did you just ask?
Yeah, I was like ready to drink it.
Wait, Claire, can I have this on the rock?
The wrong color of the wine.
I know, I thought it was red. This color combo is something. Oh, I want to see you paint that little tiny.
Oh, okay, no pressure or anything.
Satisfying.
Wow.
Did I do it?
Yeah.
Yay!
Looks great. Dancing to copyright free music, right?
Always.
Oh.
Okay. It's fine. I'm really sad to do this. I didn't just spend hours last time painting this. It's fine. Okay, so the logo sign has been painted over, and last time I went in and hand painted the entire rose symbol, but that took a lot of time. So this time I want to be a little smarter with it. We have an electronic cutter machine that like is so good. So I think I'm gonna try and cut it out of some white vinyl because I want it to be white, and that way we can just stick it on. I'm hoping this works. I sized it to what I think it is. We're gonna try and cut it out, and yeah, I'm feeling good about it. Let's go. The best part is I can still see like kind of the design underneath this because it's like 3D. So I know where to place the stickers. Yay. Makes my life so easy.
Ready? Ready? Wow. Wow. This is me giving the viewer, ready? The step back.
Stabilize that.
You mean my feet going, wasn't stable? It looks so good.
Well, this is done.
Wow.
So
Really
this
nice.
can get hung back up, and if we want to figure out a way to hide the cord better this time, wouldn't be mad. All the lights are getting put back in the sign. That part was easy, but last time it was all the cord management at the back to hide the extra lights. I'm gonna have to refigure out how I did that. But this is looking cute. I love it.
And over here,
I'm installing pegs. And these are sometimes really hard to put in because the paint, but look, I'm just X-Acto knifing it away. Bye-bye, paint.
Hello, Peg.
it's so cute when they're
Matching.
color coordinated.
I know, I love it. And as you guys may or may not remember, we have a couple sets of knobs here for our drawers. So these were the ones that we started with, and then we switched to our gold ones, and then we switched back to these, and maybe we switched to these again, I'm not sure. But right now, we're switching back to these just because we have a lot of warm tones going on up here, and I think that this goes a lot better than the silver IMO. Also, her MO. IHO.
I don't know if that one's gonna catch on.
Love it. And the last thing that we need to do is put the sign back up and I guess add our hanging things, and then our wall is pretty much complete.
Talk about the handle.
Oh, this is what we did too. Check these out. Gold, baby.
It's like I'm like, Mom, but the handles, look at the handles.
Wait, before we put it up, we should do the whole angel wings thing. Wait, can I do a photo shoot?
Yeah, get up there.
Are they my wings?
You're so LA. Angel wing wall mural.
They're like Sorry Girls wings. Oh, did you hit a peg? Wow.
You're gonna be instant
Right?
famous now.
Freeze frame. Ooh, click, click, click.
This is the new title of the video. Am I insta famous yet?
Meanwhile, Becky over here just working hard.
Things gotta get done, man. It can't all be insta photos.
So we have to go through this, and then it's like kind of like a gap, like a wall would be. Like here's a wood beam, I know that. And then it has to go through something on the other side. So wish me luck. This is kind of like not ideal.
I'm watching to see where it comes out. Luckily, this is like the one area where the shelf doesn't have a back. It's like the open shelf. Be okay. Ooh.
Can you see it?
I mean, you're going to
Oh,
see
she's
it in
gonna
a
go
second.
through here.
Yeah, she has to.
Ah! Here's Johnny.
I don't like that at all.
Hold on, I'm gonna come from this side so that it doesn't like make a
Okay.
splooge, you know?
Oh, I see it.
I'm scared. Oh, hey, how's it going? Oh, you can see Kelsey's face. Cheap entertainment today.
Okay, how do I get it through and not get it to fall down is the cue. Can you read? No, it will fit. It's just...
Who has the thinnest fingies?
Can I put it on the wire or something that you can pull it through?
Yeah.
Got it. Oh, there we go.
Yes.
Oh my God, Christmas lights are the worst. They're like headphones. It doesn't even matter if you straightened them out 2 seconds ago. You put them in your pocket and they're a mess.
These are the real facts. Moment of truth. Yay!
It's so cute, I love it. I love like the warm tone of the lights too. It looks so
Oh,
good.
it's so nice. And it's crazy that now it looks like it's floating instead of anchored by the lights down.
Yeah, that was something we should have done last time, but like we had done so many other things that we needed something to do this time, guys.
You only get better with age.
That's right. So, last step is just putting all the final bits on. Yeah, we have a couple bits. It's so fun, it's so fall, it's so cozy.
Thanks, Greg. You the best. What a great design.
And thank you to everyone else who previously sent us in designs. You inspired us, you inspire us.
If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you do that for us. We'd love to see you here more often. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a like. And if you love it, make sure you sub it. And we will see you next time. Bye.